Morena koutou, ko Tongariro te maunga, ko Taupo te moana, ko Tūwhareto te iwi, ko Ngāti te mahu te hapu, ko te heauheau te tangata, no Turangi ahau, ko Tangonui Kingi toku ingoa. Morena. A common sort of theme, which is my whānau have always been in service, whether that be central government, local government, military, community groups, you name it. I had a predisposition for service, so entering local government was another way for me to provide another level of service to our community. There's one undeniable truth, and that's if you want to have an impact, if you want to make change, if you want to make a difference, you need to be at the table, you need to be in the tent, you need to be there. So this is my words of encouragement to anybody. If that's the kind of change that you want to see, if that's the kind of participation you want to have, then get involved, put your name forward, encourage others to do so. The sign of a healthy community is people actively participating, both standing and voting and supporting. So I encourage anybody who's interested, get involved, be a part of it, be part of the change. I suppose one of the biggest things is the decisions you make have an impact on people. So whether it's from a long-term plan or even approving the budget for a new community facility, further on down the line there'll be a little 5-year-old kid that's kicking around a soccer ball or something like that, where you can take great satisfaction in the fact that years prior you were part of making that choice and making that decision. And so that's an incredibly privileged part of this role, is having a direct impact on your communities. The establishment of Te Mana Whakahono Arohe with Ngāti Turangi-Tongariro, massive for the national landscape. The establishment of Māori wards, massive for our community and national landscape. Numerous other initiatives that our council has driven over the past 3 terms and further, I might add. This has been it's a journey that started many moons ago, and I'm just proud to have been able to support the most recent announcements in regards to that. There is training provided, and so through the local government New Zealand, training courses are provided to help to support you, I guess, in your role and understanding your role. There are a lot of things in there which you might not think are part of your role, but are. And so again, it's just understanding what that is. And so you can come from any background with any skill set, and the council and local government will support you to do the very best job that you can do.